Hey guys, come with me to get a Korean digital perm. So this is my hair before the perm and this is my hair after the perm. To get this done, I decided to go to Momo Hair Studio by Liz in Toronto. Super cute studio, huge shout out to Liz and her fantastic team. I cannot rave enough about you guys. They even gave me a little tiny robe to kind of protect my clothes. The first thing is putting the solution on and then saran wrapping the hair and heating it up. This is a pretty long process, takes about 3 hours, so bring yourself something to entertain yourself. After that solution is washed off, they put your hair into rollers and use pieces of fabric to kind of keep it nice and smooth. If by chance you do get this done, Liz did recommend to me to look down a little bit just because, you know, once you're set up on this, your head is kind of stuck in place and you can't really move. But yeah, she was super meticulous on how the hair laid on these rollers because this is how it's going to be holding its final shape. So these rollers are actually connected with a wire and they heat up from the inside. So this type of perm is a hot perm. Meanwhile, the other types of perms are called cold perms. If you look closely, you can see the black wires with the green bits are the part that actually connect to the roller. And then all those white strings are basically to keep the roller up itself. Because it warms up, Liz is blow drying my hair with cool air to keep me cool. After a certain amount of time, the rollers turn off and then they take off the clips for your hair to process longer. And when they first come out, your hair looks super curly, George Washington founding fathers style, which is hot but not the look that we're going for here. I'd also like to mention that if you have colored hair or if you have short hair, I don't think this is a procedure that you would be able to do just because it does involve a lot of chemicals and stuff and you don't want your hair to break and you do need the length to be able to get this type of curl. Liz then goes in with a straightener to help manipulate some of the bumps that happened from the rollers, and then they pinned my hair into curls and threw a neutralizer in, and then you sit and process for a little bit longer. Once that's done, they take it out and then we get washed in the shampoo bowl again. So this is my hair straight out of the shampoo bowl. They do like a technique where you basically twist the hair around your finger away from your face and blow dry it. When you blow dry, you're gonna wanna always be twisting, and she's just kind of styling it now. And that's kind of it. The whole process took about 3 hours. I'm so friggin' happy with how it turned out. It was worth every penny. I feel so good. This will last me about a year depending on how people take care of it. You know, you do need to be gentle with it for the first couple of days and not get it wet, but my hair's basically blown out. I hope you guys learned something new. Bye!